Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Since I made this video a few weeks ago about exactly how I've used match betting to make over £10,000, understandably I've had a lot of questions about how long you can do this for and its feasibility for making cash every single month. So today I'm going to show you just how simple this process can be after those profitable sign-up offers. As we know, the sign-up offers are the thing that helps you to make lots of money very, very quickly, between £600 and £1,000. But I've still made £9,000 more than that, so how have I done it? What I've done is I've used lots of different styles of reload offers. Now, these are offers that are given to customers who've already used the sign-up offer and who regularly bet on platforms. These can be anything from simple free bets, refund offers, extra places, each way bets, 2-ups, Dutching. There's really an endless supply of different offers that you can utilize to make profit. The one I'm going to show you today is a weekly bet club. Now, this is essentially a simple bet and get offer, but you can do this one every single week. If you're using Profit Accumulator, which I would strongly recommend, you can find these weekly bet club offers and weekly reload offers within the weekly or daily offers tab. So if we navigate our way to Profit Accumulator, we'll click on this offers tab here and pull our way down to either reload offers or the offers calendar. We'll go to the offers calendar because it breaks it down by day or by week to make it so simple for you. So here we are on the offers calendar. You can see we're currently on the weekly view. We can also change that to the daily view if we would prefer, which show you all those daily offers, but we'll click back across to the weekly view for now. So what we'll do is we'll scroll down on the weekly offers, and these are offers that are available to anybody with an account on each of these platforms that you see here. So you can see we've got Betway, we've got CopyBet, Ladbrokes, probably ones that you've never even heard of before. The one we're interested though is this Sky Bet one just here. So it's a Sky Bet, bet 25, get £5 free bet on your sportsbook, and this is a weekly offer. You can see here on the right hand side, it even shows you a guaranteed profit that you can generate from doing this offer every week, which is £3.50, which equates to over £180 in profit if you do this every week for a year. So let's click into the offer and find out a little bit more about Sky Bet's weekly bet club. We'll click through using offer details, and you can see here it breaks down pretty much what you need to do. So the constraints or the eligibility for this bet is that you have to place £25 worth of bets on Sky Bet within 1 week. And that can be made up of 25 £1 bets, one £25 bet, or anything in between. And if you're really clever, you can use Sky Bet odds boosts, which means that you can make profit on your qualifying bet as well as getting your free bet at the end of that, but more on that in a future video. The only other stipulation is that your qualifying bets have to be using odds of 2.0 or greater to qualify for the weekly bet club. If we hop across to Sky Bet, here you can see we're landing on the Sky Bet website right now. You can see the Sky Bet club over here on the left hand side. Now, if you haven't used this offer before, you will have to sign up to this offer. It's as simple as clicking a button to opt in to the offer, and that's pretty much all you need to do. For those eagle-eyed amongst you, you'll notice that I've got a £5 free bet available to me at the moment. Now, that £5 free bet is from myself completing the free bet club last week. So we're going to use that free bet just for the purpose of this video so that I can film it all at the same time. But I'll show you from the qualifying bet, the £25 qualifying bets throughout the week, all the way through to actually completing that free bet. So let's hop straight in and do just that. The first thing we'll need to do is to find our qualifying bet. And we want to make sure that we're making as small a qualifying loss here as possible to maximize the profit on the £5 bet. So we'll click here onto odds matching. I prefer the old odds matching software, just a little bit more simple, I find anyway, but each to their own. So we'll click through onto that. And again, we now need to select exactly what we're looking for. So we'll go to the filters. We're looking for any sport, so we can tick any sport over there. The bookmaker that we're looking to use here is Sky Bet. And the exchange, the only exchange I'm using at the moment is Smarkets. That's obviously going to change at some point, but for now, Smarkets is my personal favorite. And then we're going to have a minimum rating, a minimum odds here of 2.0. And there, it's as simple as setting up just like that. If you did want to do it in a rush and you wanted to make sure that the bet finished on the same day, you can click limit to today only, but we've still got 5 days to be able to claim this £5 free bet and to bet this £25. So we don't really mind if it happens over the next few days. And then we'll click apply. and that will pull you through to the screen which shows you all of the different bets that you can make. Now, as I said previously, we want to try and steer clear of these ones with a rating of above 100. Essentially what this means is if you placed a back bet and a lay bet with a rating of over 100, you would make profit. So essentially this is known as arbitraging or arb betting, which yes can make you small amounts of profit. However, it is liable to get you gubbed, which means that the bookmaker will see that you're doing this and potentially block or stake restrict your account, which is what we want to try and avoid at all costs. So we'll steer clear of them, and we can see the next nearest one that we've got down here is this game down here, which is actually played this evening. So you can see it's got a rating of 98.36 with back odds of 3 and lay odds of 3.05. So what we need to do next then is we need to open up Smarkets nice and simply, because of course we need to place the lay bet on the betting exchange. So we'll come back across over here, we'll click on this little calculator tab on the left hand side because this is the bet that we want to make, and we can see that the odds are still exactly the same as we were looking for. Now of course this is our qualifying bet, so we want to set it to normal and simple, and our bookmaker stake, we're going to make the whole bet at one time, so the bookmaker stake will be £25. We'll pop that in, and you can see from this calculation here that no matter what the result of this game, as long as the odds don't move before we make this bet, we will lose 41 pence from this bet, but we'll get a £5 free bet, which means guaranteed profit. So here we go. So the back odds should be 3. We're looking for the draw here. So the back odds, we will click on 3 for the draw. And then the lay odds over here should be 3.5, which of course they still are. This little number down here, 37, means there's £37 worth of liquidity in that market. Now the lay bet that we're placing is only going to be £24.59. So because that number is smaller than the amount of liquidity within the market, that means that we can actually match that bet at this point in time, which is really good news. So we'll copy the lay stake of £24.59 across, and we'll click on 305, and that brings the game up over here. So our stake is £24.59. Our liability is £50.40, which of course matches, albeit by 1 penny over here. So we've now set up both the back bet, pop the £25 in there, and the lay bet at £24.59. So you can see there's 41 pence difference between the two numbers, which therefore means that we will lose 41 pence no matter what the outcome of this bet is. We've just lost £5 of liquidity here, so we're going to place this bet very quickly. So we'll do final checks, 3, 3.5, 3, 3.5. We're placing a £24.59 stake on this back bet, or this lay bet, sorry, and 25 over here, both on the draw, as you can see. So what we're going to do now is we're going to place this back bet, and what you'll notice is that the tracker comes up and it shows us that by Monday, by 7 o'clock, we will receive our next free bet, which is great news. But we need to come across over here really quickly. We need to make sure that everything's still the same, the price hasn't moved, there's still liquidity in the market, so let's click sell. Confirm that sale, and you can see the bet has been fully matched. Back across to the odds match then, we'll just store that bet there so we can track our profit over time, and then we'll sit back and we'll wait for Monday. Of course, in the interests of haste, and because I've got that £5 free bet from when I completed this offer last week, we're going to pretend it's Monday now. So we're going to hop back in now and make our profit. So we'll come back across the odds matcher, and this time we're going to sort these bets by stake not returned percentage rather than the rating over here. So we click stake not returned. It's done it the wrong way around to start with, always does that for some reason, and we'll click on that again, and you can see here are some very profitable bets that we can make right now. So you can see this one here, this Yarmouth bet, like we said, is I've got a stake not return rating of 95%. There's liquidity in the market to match the £5 free bet, and it's on Enchanted Night. So again, we'll open up this calculator here and pull us down. Now what we need to do this time, because it is our free bet time, we need to change this normal to bet stake not return. So this is our free bet. We'll also need to change the bookmaker stake to £5, because that is of course the value of our free bet. So we're now looking for Yarmouth, Enchanted Night. So let me hop back into both the bookmaker and the exchange and find that bet. So we found them again fairly quickly. And we can notice they're both actually at this back and lay odds of 21. So this is going to be a really profitable offer for us on this occasion. So first of all, we need to place our back bet again using our free bets. We'll come across to Sky Bet. We've clicked that. All we need to do is click on the little present over here, which shows that our free bet has been applied. Now, if this comes in, we will win £100. It would normally have been 105, but of course we do not get the stake return because it's a free bet. So we're going to win £100 over here if this bet comes in. And we need to copy our lay stake, make sure it's still at odds of 21, and that we've got enough liquidity in the market, which of course we do still over here. So essentially we're betting for Enchanted Knight to win over here at odds of 21, and we're betting on Enchanted Knight not to win over here at again odds of 21. So first of all, we will place this bet over here. So place the £5 free bet. You can see that's all gone through very nicely. And we'll come across over here, make sure that everything's still all correct, and we'll sell that, confirm it, and it's as simple as that. We've made some really easy tax-free profit and essentially risk-free as well, as long as we make sure we're doing everything correctly, and we can do that every single week. So we'll come back over again to the odds matching software, and you can see we've made anywhere between £4.80 and £4.76 in tax-free profit. So if we take the middle value from these two, which will be £4.78 return, and we take off the 41p which we lost from our qualifying bet, we'll have a total profit from this bet of £4.37. And remember, you can do this every single week. So what we'll do next is we'll store this bet, store this profit over here, we'll save that through. What that will do is it will lift both of these offers through to the profit that we've got up here. You can see that's increased nicely, and we've lost the 41p there, but we've gained the £4.76. Simple. And that's how easy it is for you to continue to profit after you finish those sign-up offers. So if you were scratching your head and thinking this clearly isn't sustainable, this shows that you can actually continue to do this long after the sign-up offers have gone. Now, there are of course lots of different style offers that you can do. I'm going to try and break down every single one as simply as possible for you so that you can make money via matched betting and lots of other different methods throughout this time where the cost of living is rising for everyone and really putting the squeeze on. This is one of the methods that has enabled me to invest, buy a house, and do lots of other things that I've managed to over the last 3 years. Of course, if you like the software that I've used, you'll want to get started in match betting and you're just not quite sure where to start, the software that I've used here is called Profit Accumulator. Now, there's a link down in the description below which will pull you through and give you a free sign up to start with, which means that you can make £40 to £45 without even paying for this subscription. So I really hope you found this one useful to watch. If you do have any further questions about match betting, please do comment down below so I can get back to you and try and help you make this tax-free cash as well. Equally, if you found videos like this useful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well to catch all of my future match betting videos to again help you make that nice profit. Also, of course, my investing videos, but I think match betting at the moment is something that really is a great thing to start to help you battle this cost of living crisis. If you don't like the look of it, it's £29.99 a month for the lower subscription, and that £40 to £45 that you'll have made from the free offers will be able to pay for that first month membership and more. And with that said, I hope this has been useful to you, and I'll catch you very soon in the next video.